Hey there, welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials. If you've been wanting to create a chatbot similar to ChatGPT, today's your lucky day. We're going to walk you through the process of building your very own ChatGPT-like chatbot using Streamlit and your OpenAI API Key. This is not just any tutorial, we're also going to cover the latest updates to Streamlit, including their chat_message and chat_input features. These features have made it easier than ever to develop interactive, user-friendly chatbots, and we can't wait to show you how. So, whether you're an experienced developer or just getting started in the AI world, we've got you covered. We're going to break down each step into easily understandable instructions. By the end of this video, you'll have the know-how to create your own ChatGPT-like chatbot. Ready to dive in? Let's get started on this exciting journey. First, you open your Visual Studio Code editor and open your terminal. Open Command Prompt. Create a new Python virtual environment using this command. Conda create name Streamlit Python equals 3.11.3 and enter now. Activate your environment using this command. So I copy this and paste now. My environment changed. Next, I will create a new file requirements.txt and input all requirements dependencies. For example, in this chat app, I need two dependencies, OpenAI and Streamlit. Save this file and I go to my terminal and install these dependencies using this command. Pip install our requirement.txt and enter now. After install all dependencies, I will create a new folder.streamlit, and in this folder I will create a new file secrets.toml, and in this file I will save my OpenAI API key. Create OpenAI_API_key variables and input your API key here. So I will go to my OpenAI dashboard, create a new API key. Go to Profile section and view API key and create new API key. Copy this API key and paste in your file. I use this API key only for this video. After this video, I will delete now. Save your file. Move to your main directory and create a new app file using app.py. First, import OpenAI and Streamlit. Set your app title. Connect with your OpenAI API key. Connect with your model. If you have access GPT-4, then input GPT-4, and otherwise connect with your default model GPT 3.5 Turbo. Set your session chat message. Your response chat messages. Input your prompt. Chat input placeholder. User chat message. Assistant chat message. OpenAI chat completion response. These are all code available in my GitHub repository page. So check out. After complete your code, move to your terminal. Run your app file using this command. Streamlit run app.py and enter now. Your ChatGPT-like chatbot is successfully run. So go to chat section and chat now. If you face any issue on your app runtime, ask me on my comment section. This video related all code available in my GitHub page, so check now. And read all latest update related to conversational apps. Read this updated documents provided by Streamlit. Link available in the description. And there you have it, folks. We've just walked through the step-by-step process of creating a ChatGPT-like chatbot using Streamlit and your OpenAI API Key. Remember, the journey of AI development is filled with continuous learning and exploration. So don't stop here, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can do with AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us continue to deliver high-quality AI tutorials and guides. Should you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to drop your queries in the comments section below. We're always here to help. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future tutorials and AI discussions. Thanks for joining us today at AutoGPT Tutorials. We can't wait to see the incredible chatbots you'll create. Until next time, keep innovating and happy coding.